Okay, so we are for a lot of time working on. We are and me and other people working on a system that is highly advanced. That would be highly advanced than existing technology called large language models. And me and people like me, and from now including you, because you are listening, you are uh, here with me, and that means you are interested in technology and learning. So that is pretty amazing to know. And we we are just for a time, for a while, we are for a while working on making things even more advanced, like large language models. We are working on to making large language models and existing technology even more advanced, like AGI and ASI, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. And how we can do that? How can we do that? The question is, how can we do that? So new invention completely based on aspects, understanding of a lot of field like cognitive science, mathematics, and programming language technology, because these are subject let us to make a thing, a advanced thing, and that can beat existing one, right? So learning few major subjects like mathematics and cognitive science, programming languages, and technology, hardware and software both, is really crucial to make a system that can understand and work as a human brain. Okay, and we must learn uh, cognitive science and neurocognitive science. Cognitive science can combine everything like neuroscience, psychology, research of brain and mind, everything. So cognitive science uh, uh, is the really essential subject. Every subject is essential. Not one perfect, not one entirely essential, but everything, everything as equal as another. So there is no uh, highly essential or least essential, right? So the question, how large language models works? Large language models basically works on parameters like publicly available data. When I talking about uh, some uh, reasoning of large language models, so these reasoning completely based on available reasoning coming from human experiences. There are a lot of data, uh, enormous amount of data trainer used to train their large language models, like uh, free websites and magazines, articles, and free websites and other sources that allow people to read everything without paying any money. Okay, so trainer of large language models often doing that, train their large language models, and large language models completely rely on public data, publicly available data. They can't generate anything beyond human understanding right now. I'm talking about right now, but they can do in in the future, because we are working on this technology. uh, So let me let me teach you an example. Suppose uh, we have another planet, and on this planet we have five men, five trainer of the large language models, and one large language models, and we have five animal. We have five animal like elephant, crocodile, and whale, uh, and earthworm, shark. These are five or six animals, and okay, we have just five or six animals in the on the planet. This is just for example, and when some people, two more people, we need two more people for adventure. Okay, we already have five engineers and trainer of the large language model, and now we need two adventurers and one news reporter. So a news reporter went to the jungle, and he's seen that crocodile mistook uh, no elephant mistook crocodile for pillow, and blew his mind, just trample his head. So this is the headline for newspaper, because this is the accident in the jungle, rarest accident in the jungle, and we have lot of accident like that. So we have just five or six animals, and the news articles and headlines is often full with these kind of accident and these kind of accidents. So we have just six and seven animals, nothing beyond these animals. So when system, so what trainer would do? Trainer of the large language model basically pick that data from publicly available and from publicly available source and websites and other free sources, open source sources, uh, and so they basically pick this data to train their large language models and upload this data. So data has now large language models has this kind of accident, and large language model only know about six animal, because we have just six animal, nothing beyond, nothing exists beyond. We have just six or seven animal. So if we ask if we ask large language model, uh, show me what doesn't exist, they cannot show anything that doesn't exist, because they cannot think. But we can think, so we can make any, we can create abstraction and can make things that doesn't exist, because we have uh, highly advanced uh, highly advanced technology from nature, right? And we are and we and other animals are other being are really great engineering by nature. Nature is the great teacher for everyone. And so system and large language models cannot uh, cannot show us anything that doesn't exist. This is the difference between AI, large language models, and AGI and ASI. They cannot think like the human do. They cannot make any abstraction. This is the thing essential to understand, because they are entirely based on articles, books, and newspaper headlines and other information. And other sources of information. So uh, uh, let me give you another example. Like if what happens if we talking if two friends meet and two friends meet, uh, they basically says when they meet first time, they basically says, "Hi man, what's up?" And another person, based on characterization, another person says, "Hi boy, how's it going?" This is the different. These are the different way to say first to put first impression, first sentence. And when someone says hi, then then other person says hi in reply, because this is the common way to conversation. And large language model trainer of large language model upload these conversation of humans. And this is not, they did not upload one or two video or one or two conversation. They upload enormous amount of conversation between and among human being. And what and accident and leaders speech, uh, and there are a lot of things. So they just upload enormous amount of data. That's how system understand. That's how system interact with interacting with human right now, because they are completely based on parameters. And so the main answer is large language models cannot think, and they just working uh, as a system that just repeat parameters and probabilities. Like someone says hi, so the common reply would be hi from another person, like that. They are completely relying on publicly available data. They cannot think by himself. So by this video, I just want to teach you how the system work, and how technology, artificial neural networks and AI and large language model work. and and uh, and my vision is pretty straight and crystal clear. I am working on making things even more advanced and give mankind something more advanced than we have right now, right? That's why I am working on this technology. And I set to advance this technology. And by this video, I just want to teach you how you thinking about uh, building your own system, and uh, some new features to make things advanced. And like me, I just working on uh, some amazing features and advanced technology to making existing technology more advanced. I hope you have been there for information and learning how technology works, how large language model works, and not for entertainment like memes and dancing and other TikTok content. So I did not use any animation and other graphics, because I have no team, and I have predefined time duration to do a specific task like video recording, learn mathematics, learn computer science, learn uh, programming language, learn technology, and learn stock market, economy, and changing world order, how things changing the world, and how recession and depression occur in countries, why countries cannot sustain uh, and why countries cannot sustain for infinity, and why superpower countries falls fail after a while, after some period. This is a natural phenomenon in each country. Every country falls, so every country uh, must fall in the future. No time to no fixed, but no fixed time, but this would happen all this would happen in history, and this is the well known pattern continuously repeated by history for many times. So that's my field, and I spend my day to learning mathematics, cognitive science, programming language, computer science, and technology, because this is essential to make a advanced technology. Understanding of these essential subject is necessary, because when you understand these things, you can without any hurdle make any advanced technology, because this understanding let you make anything advanced. If you missed by anything, if you missed by any of these, I think it will uh, it will take your time, and maybe you cannot build anything great like advanced AGI and ASI by uh, if you missed any of these, though these subjects are essential to learn and understand. So I have enough time. That's why I did not use any graphic, because I, I I want to skip right now editing time period, because editing need a lot of time. So I hope you can understand my. So I hope you can understand what I want to say. So okay, bye, and this is enough for now.